Hi there, I'm Stephanie Mary at Mountain Rose Herbs, and I am the creator behind My Tiny Laguna Kitchen. Today we are making pumpkin spice chamomile moon milk. It's going to be a perfect recipe for getting really cozy and then also calming the nerves a little bit. So to start, I already started to brew some chamomile flowers. These are just the whole ones from Mountain Rose Herbs. So it's just steeping here in the pot and it should be ready. So we're just gonna pour a little bit in our cups here. I'm actually gonna fill them about halfway. Perfect. And now I just have some almond milk here, but you can use any milk that you love and have on hand. If you're not familiar with what a moon milk is, it's a great recipe to drink. You can use it really any time of the day. I personally love drinking them before bed or when I get home from work. I just really love to drink them to wind down at night. I'm also going to be putting in ashwagandha extract, vanilla bean powder, chamomile flower powder, cardamom, pumpkin pie spice, and sea salt. So I'm just going to go ahead and put about 5 to 10 drops of ashwagandha. One of my absolute favorite secrets to making any moon milk recipe is straight vanilla bean powder. It's going to add a really nice, subtle vanilla, but it just, you can smell it. It tastes so divine. And it really makes all the difference in the recipe. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add the chamomile flower powder. Right here I just have a 1/4 teaspoon, so I'm just going to sprinkle in. Split it between the 2 cups. Cardamom is also one of my absolute necessities for any kind of moon milk or lattes. It's just going to really add a nice warming flavor and warming properties. And then really the star of the show here is gonna be the pumpkin pie spice. And sprinkle in about 1/2 teaspoon. And you can go ahead and modify any of the spices to your taste buds. I know we're all wired a little bit different in that department. And I love to sprinkle a little bit of sea salt. This is just going to open up your taste buds a little bit more and balance out any of the sweetness. And last but not least, I'm just going to add a teeny bit of maple syrup to sweeten. And at home, if you have a blender or a milk frother, you can go ahead and use that and you're gonna get a really nice frothy drink. I'm just gonna use a spoon and it's gonna work just as fine. Just make sure all the powders and the spices are well incorporated. If you really want to put a nice finishing touch, you can also top it off with a little bit of the chamomile flowers whole. This is always going to make it just really aesthetically pleasing. You can have it steep for a little bit or you can just drink around them. I just love to put them on there for the finishing touch. And there you have it. I hope you enjoy.